Imagine this. You're sitting across from someone you really care about. Everything seems normal, but then you notice it. The way they look at you changes. A subtle flicker of doubt. A slight shift in respect. You feel it, but you don't know why. What did you do wrong? What did they see that you didn't? Here's the hard truth. Most men have no idea when they're projecting weakness, and it's costing them everything: their relationships, their respect, and even their self-worth. But what if I told you that women instantly notice 7 clear signs of weakness in a man? And what if I told you Stoicism holds the key to fixing it? If you want to know what these signs are, and how to become the strongest, most attractive version of yourself, watch till the end. Because by the time you finish this video, you won't be the same man anymore. Stoicism isn't just about reading Marcus Aurelius or meditating on life's challenges. It's about understanding human nature, how we think, how we act, and most importantly, how others perceive us. Here's the shocking part. Weakness isn't just about what you say or do. It's about what you don't say, what you don't do, and the unconscious energy you give off. Today we'll uncover the 7 ways women instantly sense weakness in a man, and how to flip the script using Stoic principles. Seeking validation. Ever caught yourself constantly looking for approval? Whether it's from your partner, your friends, or even random people, women can sense it. Stoic fix. Stop chasing external validation. True confidence comes from within. Remember Marcus Aurelius. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. 2. Avoiding conflict. Do you back down the moment things get uncomfortable? If so, women see it as a lack of backbone. The Stoic fix is to confront difficulty with clarity and bravery. True strength is the ability to stand your ground fearlessly, not the ability to fight. Being reactive instead of proactive. Do small things trigger you? Do you let your mood be controlled by others? That's a huge sign of weakness. Stoic fix. Train yourself to stay calm. As Epictetus said, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. 4. Lacking purpose. No direction, no goals, just drifting through life? That's instantly unattractive. Stoic fix. Find your mission. Live with intention and discipline, because a man with purpose commands respect effortlessly. 5. Indecisiveness. Do you struggle to make decisions? Women notice, and it signals a lack of leadership. Stoic fix. Trust your judgment. Make decisions based on reason, not fear. Even a wrong decision is better than hesitation. 6. Being too nice. Are you afraid to say no? Do you constantly put others before yourself, at your own expense? That's not kindness. That's weakness. Stoic fix. Set boundaries. Be kind, but firm. Respect yourself first, or no one else will. 7. Fear of loss. Do you cling to relationships, jobs, or status out of fear? That's a weakness women can smell from a mile away. Stoic fix. Accept impermanence. True strength is in letting go of fear and focusing on what you can control. Weakness isn't about what you lack, it's about how you handle what you have. If you want to be a high-value man, you need to stop seeking validation, face conflict head-on, control your emotions, set goals, make decisions with confidence, stand your ground, and let go of fear. Remember, Stoicism gives you the tools to build unshakable confidence, emotional control, and purpose. And when you embody these principles, women don't just see you differently, you see yourself differently. And that changes everything. Now tell me, which one of these signs do you think most men struggle with the most? Comment below. If this was helpful to you, please like it. Subscribe for more powerful videos and enable notifications so you don't miss any uploads. This is Sigma Stoic. Let's keep building strength together. Subscribe now. Don't just watch, take action.